pa po nakakaalam, once again, we are Pixie. We are a 5-member girl group under Dreamchild Video Production. And, ayun na nga, yung narinig nyo kanina is our debut single called Iced Coffee. Na-stream nyo na ba yung Iced Coffee? O diba, tagal namin, pero hindi pa nakaka-stream yun, tingin ko. Sino hindi pa nakaka-stream ng Iced Coffee? First time marinig yung Iced Coffee, sino? Dahil dyan, stream mo na. Yeah. Make sure to stream our debut single, Iced Coffee, on YouTube channel. Yes, on all digital streaming platforms. Yeah. Ayan. Wait lang. Diba, hingal kami. Hinga muna tayo. Ayan. Feeling ko, yung next na kanta natin, alam na alam ko ng mga tao dito. Sino yung mga inspired dyan? Wala. Ako! Ay, wala. Ilan lang inspired dito? Dahil dyan, bigyan natin sila ng reason maging inspired. Yes. Exactly. Pag alam niyo yung kanta, sabayan mo kami. Yes. So, our next performance will be a song from Dionella. This is called Marilila. For the pop verse. Kasi actually guys, nandito kami last year. Yeah. So, very thankful po. Maraming salamat po for having us here. Again, maraming salamat po. And of course, for our hairstylist, Jessie Mendez, ACL Clinic, Enhanced Dental, and Aura Matrix. And yun, Team Pixie, maraming salamat. At of course, Twine, sa mga fans ng Pixie, maraming salamat po for coming here. Siyempre, thank you din po sa lahat ng people fans na nandito, sa mga napapadaan po dyan. Thank you so much for stopping by and panood sa amin. Thank you so much.
Exactly.
Dahil dyan, guys, sa mga hindi pa po nakakilala sa amin, you can follow us on all our social media platforms. It's Pixie Official PH. And speaking of follow, we just released a new pre-release track. Alam niyo po ba yun? So, mga nakakalam po, we just released a pre-release track. And it's called Love. So, we hope you guys will have fun hanggang mamaya. So, enjoy the rest of the show. Once again, this is Pixie and go.
Malaki na siya ngayon.
Kung ba lang sablikan.
Ako muna sablikan. So, kung nakikinig ka na kung nanonood ka pa sa mga live stream dito, miss ka na namin.
Sabda muna si Kuya Ivan sa'yo kung nakikinig ka.
Ano yun?
Sabda muna.
Pero yung magaling sila.
Carry bells na yan.
Ito yung joke lang. So, talawin naman natin yung Pixie kasi nga meron kayong bagong single ngayon, di ba? So, ano ba yung feeling nyo na after ilang years of waiting, na-release nyo yung bago ninyo pre-debut single?
Actually, this note is very close to our heart kasi parang yun yung nagsisimbolize talaga ng new beginnings for us since it's been a while since the last release, which is Iced Coffee. So sobrang tagal nang hinintay, but then this is just the beginning. That's why it's called pre-release track.
Wow! So marami pa tayong hihintayin sa release nyo?
Marami pa, that's why you have to follow us, guys. It's pixieofficial.ph. Please follow us. Yeah.
Kung napapansin, sir, may kung napapansin niyo po, pumunta po kayo sa social media po namin. May latest post po kami. Ayun po yun.
You know, may may meaning yan.
Singing pa rin ako.
No comment, no comment.
Wala ba tayong pa-teaser dyan? Or aabangan na lang talaga natin?
Feeling ko abangan na lang yan. Kasi marami pa
Abang-abang na. Kasi kami din nakaabang.
Actually, kami din. Ready kayo mag-repost every time.
So, yung 18 na yan, saan ba natin siya makikita or marinig or aabangan?
Yung mga post tweets is abangan nyo na lang sa aming official account, which is pixie.officialph. Ayan, so make sure to follow us on our all social media platforms.
Yes, exactly. Yes,
Yes.
So, eto, meron ba kayong mga message sa mga fans nyo na pumunta dito and nasaksiyan ulit yung performing your play?
So, mga fans ng Pixie, our clients, maraming salamat for always supporting us sa lahat ng performances namin, sa familiar faces and also sa mga new faces. Maraming salamat perform a lot of things para sa inyo. And keep supporting. And sa mga bago pong nakakakilala sa amin, please to follow us po. And you're always welcome to our fandom.
Mababait po kami.
Mababait po ang Pixie at
At
Twice.
twice, yeah.
Very welcoming po sila. So, yun.
Basta
Love you guys.
cute po kayo, welcome po kayo.
Cute.
Eh, grabe. So, lahat nandito.
Cute! Yeah,
Cute.
Cute lahat eh.
Cute
Yes! Exactly.
Yes, and from the screen of one time, gano'ng kabait ang Pixie at ang kanilang mga guys.
Infinite.
Infinity